Alright guys, we're back out. Today's video we're going to be revisiting the Smith & Wesson M&P 10. It was the one I did a video a little bit ago lining it up for my buddy, and it would light strike about every third shot. Well, I took it back to him and told him about it. He said, how do we fix it? So we looked through some avenues, and we pretty much deducted that it is a weak hammer spring. We think it is. So I have replaced the spring in this thing with a extra heavy duty spring, and we're getting ready to try it out and see if that fixed the problem. Because we took it back, cleaned it good, went through everything looked great. So that was the only thing we could think of. So let's see if $10 fixed this problem. Also, we don't suspect it was an issue from Smith & Wesson factory. We think that somebody had tried to lighten the trigger and had stretched the hammer spring in it. So let's test that theory and see if it fixes it. I'm just going to be shooting a clip through it pretty quick, just to see if it cycles and if it light strikes. So let's get loaded and put a few downrange. Alright guys, that emptied the clip of what I had in it, so I'd have to say that might have fixed the problem. But let's load up another clip and give it another try just to make sure. Let's shoot these last 5 towards the head. I'll just keep shooting at it. Alright, doesn't look like the hammer spring has fixed the problem. Really not sure what else it could be. If you guys have had issues like this before or could tell me what this is, leave me a comment. I'd like to try out something and get this shooting reliably. It's a very accurate shooter. It just is not very reliable at the minute. So leave me a comment and give me some ideas. Thank you. Like, subscribe.